I'm here to tell you that your teacher doesn't need to look like you to be amazing. This message is for that school in your district.
Hello, everybody who's ever looking at this. Mwah!
And to all my educators out there, all my educators, this is the first teacher who made me feel like $1,000,000. And I don't know if you notice the resemblance that we come from the same kind of family. I'm here to tell you that your teacher doesn't need to look like you to be amazing. Even though we look like distant cousins, we're not. And so this is my second grade teacher, Sister Mary Claire, the best, set me on my course as an educator. She doesn't remember half the impact she had on me, so it's my job to remind her as much as possible what she meant. And you can do the same thing. Just make magic for those kids.